Hello students, welcome to our very first video note, and this video note is about our programming assignments that's coming up. It's chapter 4, program 2, Math Tutor Enhanced. As you can see, I'm in Eclipse and I already have some code going on here. I have defined all of my variables here, which I think I would be needing in this program, and then if I go down, I can see that my scanner object is also set up, as well as my random object is set up so that I can generate random numbers. So after setting up these two things, what would you do next? You may wanna generate random numbers here, both of them. And once you have generated your random numbers, then you can go ahead and display the menu as shown in the output. And you can see it is right here as well. So you can display the menu for the user. And once the menu is displayed, then you may want to, get the operator from the user. So this operator, plus, minus, or the asterisk for the multiplication, you can, store it as a character variable, or if you want to, you can also make it a string variable. So it's your choice. I decided to make it a char, as you can see up there. So once you get the operator from the user, then the next step would be you can actually go ahead and then display the problem on the screen for the user. And the random numbers are already generated up here, so you have them and you can display them for the user. And once you display your random numbers on the screen, then you can use the scanner to get the input from the user, right? So that will be the user answer. So user can enter the answer, and once you have the answer from the user, then you can switch. So you can use the switch statement to switch to the operator. To switch to the operator, say the user entered plus, then your switch statement should jump to the plus operator, and then over there you are going to add num1 and num2, and then you can compare user answer by the actual answer, and then you can display either the congratulations message or sorry, your answer is incorrect, and you can display the correct answer for the user, and the program ends then. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see until the next video note. Thank you. Bye.